Hi do-it-yourselfers, Bob here. Today we're going to be installing some Molle panels over the windows from Bison Gear. As you can see, I've got the factory cargo divider there. Got to get that off first, and that was a real pain to put in, I'll have to tell you. So first thing we need to do is get that down to expose those plastic panels and get some holes cut to expose the mounting bolts. First off, I want to say thank you to the new subscribers, and for those not subscribed, if you enjoy do-it-yourself content, please consider subscribing. Okay, let's get that cargo panel down. Alright, so we got the divider, cargo divider out. The reason why I went with these Bison Gear was I still want to use these mounts for other things, but they go nice and close to the body lines, so it makes mounting things like the cargo divider easier. So that's kind of why I picked it, and I'll show you the few other reasons once we get it up there and installed. Okay, so some of the tools you'll need, it's a hex head screw, I think it's a 5 and then a 10mm nut. Also, if you get a step drill, we'll need to drill out some holes in the two plastic panels, so I'll get those off next. Okay, so I got those pieces of plastic off. The one with the mount has got a screw in the top of it as well, so you got to take that out before you can just pry them off. Okay, so here's the panels. You can see the screw goes into these ones. I marked them as well, and now we follow along the directions that Bison Gear gave us to drill some holes in there. So that's next. Okay, I got all the holes drilled out as per their instructions. They basically have to be big enough to get the spacer in. So, got them all done out. Looks good. Now I'll just get them mounted back up again and we can start the install. That's next. Okay, so as you can see, I got the upper and lower mounts in. Was able to keep the anchor for the cargo divider, so that's good. So next up is putting in those side panels. Okay, got the right side done. Everything's tightened up. Looks good. I looked at it's indented a bit, so if I still want to put a rack here, I can do it. And the nice thing is you can put soft things inside here, which is great for towels and things like that. So next up, get the other side done, and then I'll button everything else up. Okay, got her all buttoned up. Panels look great. Hopefully they'll function great. Still have lots of room to be able to put a rack or something in the middle if I want, but I know I'm kind of an idiot for doing this after the fact, after putting in my flooring. But I'm kind of figuring out what I need and how I'm going to mount it and where it's going to go. That's why I put these in after the fact. But anyways, thanks Bison Gear. Stuff looks great. Well, it's great. Hope this helps you guys. Have a good one.